Fall is here and it's time to plant garlic. Today I'm going to discuss planting garlic in a Mittleider garden. You don't need a whole lot to do this. You need your garden planting detail sheet anytime that you're transplanting or starting seeds in your Mittleider garden. We're going to need a measuring device. Today I'm using a tape measure, a small shovel to dig the hole in the soil for the garlic, and of course our garlic. Today we are using Armenian garlic. Let's get started. Garlic is one of the few plants in your Mittleider garden that will have 4 rows in a bed. You don't need to remember this. You can refer to your garden planting detail sheet. You can get this in the back of your book. It's one of the appendixes. Or you can download that copy, like what I've got here in my hand, for free on the Mittleider Gardening Facebook group. You'll have to join, go into the document section, and you can download this for free. Referring to the garden planting detail sheet for garlic, it shows us we're planting 4 inches apart in 4 rows at a depth of 1.5 inches. So I'm using the little shovel to dig a trench in our clay soil, which is pretty compacted right now. I'm digging a trench with the shovel and I'm placing a bulb every 4 inches, 1.5 inches deep. I will cover that with soil, dig another little trench in 4 inches, and start the process over again. I've already got an application of pre-plant in here. Here's another look at it. 4 cloves of garlic per row, spaced 4 inches apart with a row every 4 inches. I only had about 2 pounds of the Armenian garlic left. I don't know how much of it I'm going to end up getting in the garden. I've got half of a 30-foot row that's open right now. I'm going to plant that garlic until it's either gone or my 15-foot row is full. If I were doing this in the greenhouse, it would be a lot easier to do. I wouldn't need the shovel. I could just pop it down into that sand and sawdust and I'd be good to go. But this is going our clay soil, so I have to spend a little bit of time, work it up. Simply make my row like that. Get 4 cloves of garlic. And pop them in the ground. Cover them up. And we're good to go. Now, Jim Kennard does a phenomenal video on this, shows you how to do it. I will put a link to his video in the description box for you below. Jim puts it in his grill box with sand and sawdust, and he shows you how to use the Mittleider tool, marking tool, spacing marking tool, get exactly what it's called. But if you're using that in your garden and you want to see how to do it with that tool, he will show you how to do it. All right, I'm all done. We ended up getting about 8 feet of garlic in, 100 inches. So we have 25 rows of 4 cloves of garlic, 100 cloves of garlic and all in the ground. If you wanted to do a full 30-foot Mittleider soil bed with garlic, you would need 360 cloves of garlic to do it. That would be a lot of garlic. All right, I'm gonna shut her down for here. Quick and dirty video today, didn't take very long. As always, if you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. We'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks for watching our videos. In the weeks to come, we're going to be getting back into the greenhouse. We're going to have more videos from the greenhouse, so look for those in the future. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.